my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. And this video we are talking about Dogecoin. What's the price change goes in the Dogecoin? What's the negative change occur in Dogecoin? And this video we are also talking about Dogecoin crash. Why the Dogecoin falls down, and what is the next move of the Dogecoin? In this video I will show you, friends. So please keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channel if you like Dogecoin. So click the subscribe button right now, friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the current price of the Dogecoin. As you can see here, 0.273044 USD dollar is the highest current price of the Dogecoin. And if you look the change occur in the Dogecoin, so as you can see here, last 1 hour change negative, last 1 day change positive, and last 1 week change very bad negative, friends. For more details, we have to look the last 1 month price prediction chart of the Dogecoin, that what's the change goes in the Dogecoin and the last one, friends. So as you can see here, now the whole research is on this eyes, friends, front of your eyes, friends. As you can see here, friends, that is the last 1 month price period of the Dogecoin, friends. If we look the change occur in the Dogecoin, so as you can see, the change in the last 1 month is about 397.41% positive change occur in the Dogecoin, friends, and the last 1 month, friends. So friends, now it is clear for us that as you can see here, at this period they take a high jump, as you can see here, friends. And on this period a lot of people buy a Dogecoin, and only everyone said buy Dogecoin, buy Dogecoin, buy Dogecoin, buy Dogecoin. As you know, on Twitter, social media, any platform, Dogecoin, 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 friends. Now if we look the currently condition of Dogecoin, so as you can see here, at this point the Dogecoin falling period of the Dogecoin starts now again, as you can see here, friends. So if this kind of change occur in the Dogecoin, so a lot of people fast down, friends. But now at this time those people have a profit who's buy Dogecoin at this point, friends. And those people who's buy Dogecoin in the last of this as you can see at this point, so they are also in the loss, because now the currently level of the Dogecoin as here, so they are in the fast. Only this point holders are in a profit, friends. So now if this kind of falling occur in the Dogecoin, so you are all in the loss, friend. So if you are a holder of this time, so please my suggestion for you to please sell it at this time, friends. And if you are a holder of this time, friends, so you have to wait it, because now you are also in the loss. Maybe in the future they take a jump and they will give you a good amount of profit, friends. So what's your opinion about Dogecoin? My opinion is that the future of the Dogecoin may be bad. A lot of chances to they fast down, friends, and 30% chances to they take a jump, friends. So what's your opinion about Dogecoin? Please comment box. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest, buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.